So, mga 8:35 na karon guys.
We're going to Burger King.
Okay. Yan na, naganda na yung mag-aama. Paalis kami, sandali lang. Kasi hindi kami, buong hapon kami nandito sa bahay. Hindi kami nakalabas kanina kasi umuulan.
You see, I have adult teeth, right? Adult teeth.
So, aalis na kami ng bahay. Magbabacuum pa rin yung asawa ko. Ganyan siya, guys.
This adik so naughty. He always about you, mama, because he never clean up the room.
You also have so many toys down there. Oh.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll clean up.
And there are more toys.
Mommy, just now you can color slide.
Gabi na dito, guys. Look at that. Gabing-gabi na. Gabing-gabi na, guys. Yan, nandoon, yung building na yan. Yan, yung building na yan. Yan, nandyan yung Burger King. Kakahol, mami.
So guys, today we're gonna see what we're gonna do in Burger King.
Today is Lolo's
Birthday.
Ito, Lolo.
Happy birthday, Lolo. I love you so much. But I love you in Philippines. But happy birthday to you.
What is that? Let's go. We have a car there waiting for us. So, doon, tatawid tayo. Tapos tatawid kami dito. Yan ang building na yan. Malapit.
Yeah, walk there. It's by 6th Street all the way down.
Oh.
Some
I
restaurants.
still have a lot of people, huh, at night.
There's also one shop there at the end.
What?
We can walk around there.
Come here, walk down. Straight down.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, you got lah.
Ayan, ang paikot ng aming bahayan, guys. Ayan, yan. Naghintay kami maging green. Let's go.
Okay, come, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Burger King.
What are you gonna buy there?
Some gifts.
Something what?
And drinks.
Drink? Across the road, right? I think.
What's that?
Yan ang building na, malapit lang siya sa amin. Patawid ka lang, ha. Wow. Ganda. Ang bulang.
Gagang Street is like data center.
Ah?
You make all the processes and all that.
Oh.
Just park lah.
This is nice, huh? That's nice place. It's very windy all the time here, right?
That's really making me happy.
Sobrang dilim. Bakit kaya madilim?
I think BTY opening upstairs. Because BTY is a Christian, I think.
Uh-uh.
Look there.
Burger King. Burger.
Look, listen.
Lizard.
Listen.
Lizard. Yeah.
Listen.
Yeah, kakak, lizard is everywhere, so you don't have to be scared to lizard. Ganda din yung lugar na to, ha? Abay, hinihingal ako, ganito lang. Ay, wala na talaga exercise.
You don't want this, right?
You can also. Yeah, you can just eat that.